All that's gonna be turf over there. Got my patio all messed up, but it's worth it. Decking is going in. It's coming together, y'all. We got travertine. This shit look nice. Look at that. Decking is going in. Yeah, buddy. Shit looking nice. Shit looking nice. So this would be about day 6. I think it's about the seventh or eighth day. I don't know because we skipped some days. We was out of town and they had some situations. So this is probably around day 7, and everything is coming together. Looks like we should probably be swimming early June. I want to say first week of June, hopefully. Peace.